So, hi dear Scorpio, very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Okay, let's start. Scorpio, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. Okay, honey. We have the Sun card, the Two of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. Okay. This is somebody who's telling me that I know what I want, I know what I'm doing, I know my path, I know my happiness, I got the clarity, I got everything sorted in my life. I don't need Scorpio to tell me what to do or what to feel or how to do certain things in my life. So, right now, this person is taking their energy of being overly practical as being very, very crystal clear and very happy about it. Although they're still very much conflicted in their head about things, but they're pretending that everything is crystal clear, everything is okay, everything is nice, and they know what they are doing and they know what they are feeling. Nobody has to tell them anything. So basically, this person is super disconnected from their heart right now and very much in their head. And in their head, everything is crystal clear. In their head, they know everything about their feelings. So it's like I'm feeling from my head and my heart is closed off. And I'm pretending to be very happy because I got it. Wow. Okay. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Chariot in reverse. We have the Hierophant and the Strength card. They want to do everything possible from their side in order to not to do anything about the situation. Yeah, right now they just want to connect with their higher self, or you can say their spiritual side, or they just want to connect with some kind of mentor or guru or someone who can help them to stay away from this situation and help them to see the positive side of the situation, positive kind of energies. It's like they are holding on to something or someone who can help them to see the positives in the situation and what this situation is bringing as a lesson or as a blessing or something. Very complicated and tricky kind of a reading where somebody don't know exactly what they are feeling, but they know mentally what they want, and they are in this energy of trying each and everything to not to do anything about this situation. My God, using all of their strength and power and the courage and the wisdom and the knowledge and everything to not to do anything in this direction. Oof, oh. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of this month, honey, Scorpio. We have the King of Wands, the Justice, and the Two of Cups. So you can expect this person making a very sudden move towards you, very sudden, out of the blue, unexpected move towards you. When you will be least expecting to hear from this person, they are going to do something, and they are going to give it the name of this is how we do it. It's like although there is love, although there's emotions from their side, they're not going to show it to you. They are just going to show you that they connected with you for this and this reason, and it was important, it was necessary, it was mandatory. So they are going to give you the reason that they connected with you because it was bound to be like this, and they want to correct something with you, and this is how it should be. But they refuse to show you the emotional side. What is wrong with this person? And then they're giving this name, giving this whole situation, this whole whatever they are going through, as the name of, I know what I'm doing, you don't have to tell me, I know, this is how it should be and this is how it is. Okay, I don't know, for some weird reason they might connect with you, but this connecting with you is not going anywhere from here. It's like maybe clearing the air with you or telling you something that they think is important for you to know, or something like that. Okay, and it's happening the moment you will be least expecting it to happen. Okay, for you, the guidance is the Queen of Cups. Do not forget to love yourself in this whole mess. Do not wait for this person to come back around and make you happy, Scorpio. You are responsible for your happiness, and you are responsible for your own misery as well. That you have to keep in mind. Nobody else is like nobody else is responsible. Nothing else, nobody else is responsible for making you happy or making you miserable. It's just an illusion that other things, other people, other situations have the power. It's just us who have the power to, keep ourselves happy or make ourselves miserable. Yeah, sounds very cringe, but this is how it is. It all starts with self love, self care, and self healing. So just give yourself the love and the care and the nurturing and compassionate kind of energy that you might be hoping from the other person to give you. And do not wait for this person or anything else to make you happy. Basically, you have to be responsible for your own happiness. So, honey, this is the Light Seers Tarot deck that I'm using today for this reading. A lot of people ask me that, so I'm telling you that. If you want to know about my spiritual journey and Osho meditations and Osho Pune, you can check the comment section. You will find the video there, a full fledged video. And best of luck. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.